Let no one say it to your shame that all was beauty here until you came. Little place for fishing right there.
You don't have to video all of it. Oh, yeah.
5 feet in December, 15
Diameter.
in diameter, 15 feet in circumference, about 250 years old. It was a springing sapling when the Declaration of Independence was signed, and about 60 years old when Dayton became a city. The red mark above Independence.
The red mark above
indicates the water level of the
1913 flood.
Oh yeah, I think I heard about that.
So there's a flood here, and you see the red mark up there on the tree? Look on this tree.
Oh.
That's
yeah.
It was all flooded here.
Yeah, I think I heard about that.
250 years old.
Like back in.
I wonder what's down there.
Back when I.
Go look.
Okay.
Go ahead, she can go.
Come on, Thomas. I hope there's no spiders.
Just go.
Let's start with this one.
Yeah, that area is way more bigger.
And then we'll try that one. Boy, look at all these trees.
Wow.
Alright, and next trail, which is over there.
This place would be a good camping spot.
I hope.
Yeah, probably not.
Spiders in their tent.
Would you want to camp over in that area?
Yes.
Yeah, because it's nice and open and less able to be eaten by bugs.
Hey, look at that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Roots.
Wow. All right.
All right, back to the trail.
Goodbye, Grace.
No, wait for me.
Okay.
I bet a lion.
Enter.
This is the garden room.
I bet a lion could fly. I bet a lion.
Okay, listen. Read the rules.
Do not step in flower beds. So if you see a bunch of flowers, don't step in it. Keep children with you. So we need to stay with you. Or you need to stay with me. No pets allowed. Well, we don't have pets. Picking flowers is prohibited. So Grace, you can't pick a flower.
Nobody's picking flowers.
And then enjoy your stay.
Let's go see the flowers.
I bet a lion could climb that high.
There's probably flower beds here. After all, it is nature.
Did you hear what I said? A lion could climb that high.
Yeah, maybe. In memory of... Man, I don't know that name. Oh, look. A little bridge over there. That's probably the exit point. Little area where you might go fishing, or maybe you could hop along. Little thing. Park hours. Alright. And then the park gate is over there. No pets allowed. Make sure to have 2 of those signs, because some people are a little stupid and want to bring things or do things that are not allowed.
Grown here, but we can walk on that trail, I think, and we'll see them.
Yeah.
Look, I see it.
Cool. Well, it could just be blue flowers, Grace. These wonderful flowers. Even a river as well. Chair over there. Yep. So we can't go that way. Yeah.
This is the valley where nothing ever happens, where people simply live, where there is sun and slow peacefulness of day following day.
And she was brilliant of the Infinite One. 1938 through 1918. Just someone going down the trail. Shorter garden route, longer wooden path route.
Let's start with the shorter one, then the longer one.
Okay.
Don't fall into there.
You might find the trolls in the shorter garden route, or we could find them in the wooden route.
What does that say?
It was a sapling when Christopher Columbus stepped into the America's shores in 1492, a massive tree the day Pilgrims landed at Plymouth Rock in 1620. This is Aullwood sycamore, a 500-year-old remnant of Ohio's primeval forest. This bottomland tree, with its upper light-colored bark, may have for centuries served as a generation, this monarch will come to see and die.
I think that's the tree.
What? Really?
Yeah, since there's a sign pointing to it.
I think it's that one.
Oh yeah, it might be. Private. Do not enter.
We can't go up those stairs.
Yeah,
What
makes
path
sense.
should we start with before we head the longer way?
Yeah, I think that way would probably lead to the exit.
I don't think so, but I don't know how we're gonna
Hello, Bumpy.
I know. Yeah, you can't carve on trees in this area because they don't want you messing with these trees, which is why if you look back there, there's a sign. So you can see how some trees have more carvings on them than others. Yeah, they want to pronounce their love. Pronounce their love and do whatever they want. You know, it's not really good. No carving on trees.
What does that say?
All right.
What does that say?
Right. Right, here we go.
Hey, what do you need these trees to keep there and help you?
Hi. That's the office. This trail isn't as long as I thought.
That looks like a heart.
Oh, well, it isn't carved in, so.
What does that say?
A lot that we are probably not going to read. I think some of it is in a different language, maybe. Probably. Okay.
A rug.
Easier to walk on, I think.
What does that say? I think we're heading back to where we started.
You might see the trolls. Or maybe the trolls are on the longer path. That's a cool looking tree.
I think we just need flower gardens. I don't think they're near the clothes.
Oh, a new sign.
I think flower garden.
Okay. Gate over there.
Ew, a coconut.
A non-special branch. A non-special seat.
Don't step on the flower.
This place is nice and bright now.
We got to see the flower garden. And that was pretty.
Yeah, maybe there's trolls in the exit. Well, no, this is both the paths together.
Yeah, we've already been on here.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see the sign. And see what other paths we could have taken.
We could go this way. I think we already been here.
Yeah, we know. Can you go a little faster, Grace?
We still have to go through the flowers. But there's still paths to go through the flowers.
There's a car, so be careful, Grace. Benches. Okay. So what do we have here? So we went. Okay, so we went to here, and then I think we went maybe over here, and then we chose probably this area. Let's see here. This is probably this. Let's see here. All house. So that's what we saw. And we saw the other half over here, so we went this way and went back around. So I think the troll is probably over here.
But we were already there and we didn't see it. Let's see if I can find it.
But are we sure we went there? Because we could have missed this area given how we did not go one route. So.
Yeah. Oh,
So this is Thomas Dumbo.
That's the artist that made these.
Wow.
Let's go find
The bird's nest.
Please do not climb on the nest. Do not move the decorations.
After all, some people are already in it. It's an art thing, Grace. Oh look, Grace, you can go through there.
If you want to, go ahead.
The hole to Narnia. And then another hole that Grace can fit through.
And look over here. You can go through here.
That's for like little kids. And a little dangerous for little kids too.
Where are the eggs?
Those are the eggs.
Those are the eggs. It's just art.
Okay, are we ready to leave the nest?
Yeah. No. Yes. No.
No, what are you gonna do in the nest?
Look at me.
I think when we leave, we'll head back to
1,
the
2,
nest.
3.
And
Look
we'll
at
look
me.
and see if we
Stand
can't
with your
find any
brother.
berries. Okay. And then maybe
Stand with
we'll
your
take
brother.
the wetland marsh walk and get on the trail. Since we've already gone by Dee.
I trust you.
Here we go. You ready?
I could definitely film a movie here.
Yeah, are you done? Let's go.
Or at least a short film. Grace, stop arguing. Look at that. Yeah, I see it.
I see it. And still we could have gone through the flowers.
Grace,
Yep, his has always got to be right and not mommy.
I know it's
who cares, Grace?
I'll tell you it once we get back to it.
Grace, you don't always have to be right.
Oh.
Not everyone has to be right. Oh, don't do that. Let's have a fun time. We get to have some exercise, which we don't do that often. The flying troll.
Come near it, please, before someone comes back down. Now, other people take some pictures first, okay?
The troll is holding on to the tree. Big toes. I think we're doing sticks.
Got to beat it up on. Hey, it's a good game today.
I don't suppose you just go
Come on,
stand
come on.
on there, do you?
Sure.
Or somewhere like right here. Yeah, so I could get you in it. Right here, Grace.
Okay.
Perfect. Yes. Ready? Ready to. Oh, good.
A big one.
Look at mommy.
Nature Troll.
We're about to reach this mythical being. We sometimes people just go for 1 and 2, but we are now reaching the troll that takes too long to walk to. We are one of the champions of the forest. Imagine we went to imagine there was a 4th troll that no one has seen. And the guy just put it inside like a cave that you have to go into. There it is. The mythical being. And that's how we get our gas canisters. These mythical beings poop out gas canisters and we just take them. Is it giving a kiss to someone?
I want to paint.
There's its butt. There's its egg. We steal the gas from the egg.
Look, he's taking care of the egg.
Yeah. I wonder if someone like took a picture of kissing with it.
No.
Look how big its fingers are.
Yep.
There you go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.